lecture 2, that is concept of perimeter and area. So today we will study about the circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. That is, the perimeter of a circle is known as circumference. Okay. The perimeter of a circle, the perimeter of a circle is called circumference. Okay, the perimeter of a circle is called circumference. The perimeter of a circle, yes, the perimeter of a circle is called circumference. Okay, and have you seen any circle? uh, can you tell me the name of have you seen any circle shape in your daily life? Can you tell me one example one by one? I'm going to ask one by one. Aman, first of all, tell me one example of circle shape. Circle shape thing. Cricket ball is sphere. That is not circle. That is sphere. That is not circle. Okay, Rajnandani, give me one example of circle. Plate. Yes, very good. Plate is one example of a circle. Plate. Plate is an example. Okay, plate. Very good. Next, ball is not a circle. Ball is a sphere. Ball is 3D shape of it. Yes. Roti. Yes, very good. Roti. Yes, yes, please. Bangle. Yes, bangle is also a circle. Bangle. Yes. Okay. Wheel. Yes, wheel is a circle. Very good. Coin. Have you seen coin? Coin is also a circle shape, right? So these are some example of circle. Okay. Now the main point. Now the main point. Uh, if uh, if we say circle, then what does it mean actually? Okay, try to remember it. This is very important and understand it very carefully. Listen it very carefully. This is very important. What is actually a circle means? Can anyone tell me what is actually a circle means? You people are seeing this green line here, right? Have you seen this green line here? Only this green line is known as circle. Only this green line is known as circle. The green line that I have drawn here, this only green line is known as circle. This is not circle. This is not circle. The green line that I have drawn here, that is only the what? Circle. Understood? Circle is a curve. Circle is a curve. And this one is known as interior of circle. This one is known as interior of circle, and the outside part is known as exterior of circle. Understood? And which one is circle? This green line. This green line is the circle. That green is one is circle. That only shape is what? That is only the circle. Okay, understood? Circle is simply a curve. Circle is simply a curve. And if we want to measure the length of this circle, okay, if we start from here, let's say this one is our starting point, that is it. If we measure the circle from here, and again come back to the point A, then we can measure the length of the circle. And that length of a circle, that is known as circumference of a circle. Understood? And the circle and there is a formula to find the circumference of a circle. There is a formula to find the circumference of a circle. Okay, we'll study this later. First of all, we have studied what is a circle and what are some examples of circle. Okay, and circle is simply a curve, and this part is known as interior of a circle and this part is known as exterior of a circle. Then which one is circle? The simply green line that you have seen here, that is only the circle. Okay, and we are having an important result in a circle. We are having some important things. uh, let's talk about some terms that is related to circle. That are some terms related to circle. Some simple terms related to circle. Some simple terms related to circle. In a circle we are having one center. In a circle we are having one center. Here we are having center. Let's name it as O. This one is known as what? Center of the circle. Center of the circle. You know what? You know what is radius of a circle? If we draw any line from center to the circle, if we draw any line from center to the circle, that length is known as what? Radius. This length is known as what? Radius. And in a circle, if we draw, yes, in a circle, if we draw any line from center to the circle, from center to the circle, these all lines will become equal, and these all lines are known as what? Radius. These all lines are known as radius. That is OM, ON, OP, OQ. All of these are what? Radius. That is OM is equal to ON is equal to OP is equal to OQ. These all are known as what? Radius of a circle, and these all are equal in length. So in a circle, we will see two things. That is, one is center and other one is radius. Okay. So anyone, can you tell me what is a diameter of a circle? What is diameter of a circle? Anyone? What is diameter of a circle? No one. Okay, let me tell you. If I draw a 2 into radius, that's correct. If I draw a line that passes through the center and touches the 2 points of on the circle, I'm drawing I'm drawing a line, or you can say that I'm drawing a chord that passes through the center of a circle. I am drawing a chord that passes through the center of a circle, and this kind of chord which passes through the center of a circle is known as what? Diameter. Is known as what? Diameter. Diameter is what? It is a chord. And what is chord? What is chord? What is chord? If we join any 2 points on the circle, let's take any 2 point on the circle, say this one is A and this one is B. If we take any two distinct point on the circle, and if we join that 2 point, we'll get a line segment, and that line segment is known as what? Chord. And that line segment is known as what? Chord. Understood? Chord का मतलब क्या होगा? सर्कल पे कोई भी दो पॉइंट ले लेंगे, उन दोनों पॉइंट को अगर हम जोड़ देंगे तो हमें एक लाइन सेगमेंट मिलेगा. उस लाइन सेगमेंट का सर्कल में क्या नाम पड़ जाता है? कॉर्ड. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? कॉर्ड. अंडरस्टूड? And the chord that passes through the center of a circle, that chord is known as what? Diameter. And the chord that passes through the center of a circle, chord that passes through the center of a circle, that passes through the center of a circle, that passes through the center of a circle is known as what? Diameter. So in the diameter, here we can see that this one is a radius, this one is radius, named it as R, and this one is also a radius, so this one is also R. So the length of the diameter is equal to twice or 2 radius. The length of the diameter is 2 into radius. That is what? Radius. Understood? Okay. So I'm going to write this chord and diameter properly. Okay. So what is chord? What is chord? Sorry. First of all, what is radius? What is radius? So what is radius? Radius, line segment, line segment, yes, line segment drawn from center to any point of a circle. Any point on a circle is called radius. So what is radius? Radius is a line segment that drawn from any point sorry, that drawn from center to any point on a circle. So let's say this is our circle and this is the center of a circle. Let's name it as O. If we draw any line segment from center of a circle to any point on this circle, let's say it A. So this length OA is known as radius of a circle. This one is known as radius. समझ में आया सबको? Or simply we can also represent it by r, small letter r. So this one is radius. So what is radius of a circle? Radius of a circle is the length from center to any point on a circle. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now the next point is chord. Next point is chord. So what is chord?
Chord.
Chord is a line segment. Chord is a line segment. Chord is a line segment formed by formed by joining two distinct point on a circle. Point on a circle. What is the meaning of distinct? What is the meaning of distinct? Anyone? Anyone? Distinct is not a mathematical word, it is an English word, and you guys have to know like English vocabulary, right? So what is the meaning of distinct? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of distinct? Anyone? Nobody? तो ध्यान से समझिएगा बाबू, आप लोग ध्यान से कुछ चीजें समझिएगा. इफ यू डजंट अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग, either it could be vocabulary of English letter, or either it could be numbers, or either it could be variables, or it could be anything in any chapter, like mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, Hindi, English, in any chapter. अगर आपको कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आता है तो आपको पूछना है, ठीक है, चुप नहीं बैठना. मैंने लिख दिया chord is a line segment formed by joining two distinct point on a circle. You guys are saying that yes, yes sir, we have understood, you have said it very well. तो ऐसा नहीं होता है, ठीक है. अगर आपको कोई चीज समझ में नहीं आया, इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, ये कुछ भी हो सकता है, चाहे ये किसी लाइन पे कोई वर्ड हो, कोई लेटर हो, कोई शब्द हो, कोई सेंटेंस हो, कोई नंबर हो, कुछ भी हो. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो आपको पूछना है, और पूछना सीखिए. अगर आप पूछिएगा नहीं तो आप सीखिएगा नहीं. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट न्यूटन? हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट न्यूटन? नोबडी? किसी ने सुना है न्यूटन के बारे में?
Yes, sir.
So who is Newton? Who is Newton? Who is Newton? Scientist. What he have done? क्या किया उसने? ग्रेविटी. ग्रेविटी का खोज कैसे किया? हाउ?
Sir,
हाँ, पे इसीलिए नहीं. पेड़ से एप्पल नीचे हमेशा गिरता था. देखिए क्वेश्चन को समझिए. हमारे पास एक पेड़ है, पेड़ पे पेड़ है, पेड़ में बहुत सारा एप्पल लगा हुआ है. तो न्यूटन सर जो थे, उनका नाम था सर आइजैक न्यूटन, है कि नहीं? ये न्यूटन सर यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं. पेड़ के ऊपर से एक एप्पल गिरा. तो एप्पल गिरा तो उसने क्या किया? उसको समझ में नहीं आया क्या हुआ, तो उसने क्या किया? उसने क्वेश्चन किया, व्हाई, क्यों ऐसा हुआ. आया समझ में?
सर उन्होंने सोचा कि ऊपर ही नीचे क्यों
हाँ, यस, वेरी गुड. तो इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? इसने पूछा क्योंकि इनको समझ में नहीं आया ऐसा क्यों हुआ, है कि नहीं? अगर इनको समझ में आता तो ये पूछते नहीं. सो आप लोगों को भी क्या करना है, जब आप लोगों को कोई शब्द या कोई वर्ड या कोई चीज समझ में नहीं आए तो उस पर सवाल करना है, उस पर क्वेश्चन करना है कि ये चीज क्या है, क्यों है. तभी आप लोग कोई चीज अच्छे से सीख पाएंगे. और सीखने की जो इच्छा होता है उसको क्या बोला जाता है हिंदी में या इंग्लिश में? जानने की इच्छा, चाहत. एंड there is a very nice word to represent this thing. In Hindi it is called jigyasa. क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
जिज्ञासा,
हाँ, 9 स्टूडेंट। एंड इन इंग्लिश इट इज कॉल्ड क्यूरियोसिटी। इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
क्यूरियसिटी,
क्यूरियोसी नहीं, क्यूरियोसिटी। क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ, एंड दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू डेवलप योर क्यूरियोसिटी। आप लोग किसी भी चीज में इच्छा दिखाना है, इंटरेस्ट दिखाना है, जानने की इच्छा दिखाना है। ये डिस्टिंक्ट का मतलब नहीं समझ में आया तो इसको जानने की इच्छा दिखाना है, पूछना है कि डिस्टिंक्ट का मतलब क्या है सर, क्या आप हमें बताएंगे? सो दैट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग एक्चुअली, अंडरस्टूड? अगर आपको कोई भी चीजें समझ में नहीं आया तो आपको सीखने की कोशिश करना है। डिस्टिंक्ट मीन्स डिफरेंट, अलग अलग होगा। आया समझ में? डिफरेंट दैट मीन्स अलग अलग होगा, सेम नहीं हो सकता। chord is a line segment formed by joining two distinct point on a circle. chord एक ऐसा चीज है जो सर्कल का दो अलग अलग पॉइंट, सेम पॉइंट नहीं, दो अलग अलग पॉइंट। दिस इज आवर सर्किल, द रेड लाइन, द रेड कर्व दैट वी हैव सीन हियर, दैट इज ओनली आवर सर्किल। अगर इस सर्किल पे कोई भी मैं अलग अलग पॉइंट ले लूं, सेम पॉइंट नहीं, कोई भी अलग अलग पॉइंट, let's named it as p and let's name another one is as q। अलग अलग इस p q को अगर हम ज्वाइन कर देंगे, if we join these two points, then we will get a line segment that is pq in the black color. You are watching this in black color, right? So this pq line segment is known as chord। ये जो pq हमारे पास बना, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? chord of a circle। understood? समझ में आया आपको chord क्या है? So what is radius? What is what is radius? Radius is a line segment that drawn from the line segment. Sorry, this one is drawn actually. And radius is a line segment drawn from center to any point on a circle. Line segment drawn from any point on a circle to the center is called the radius. And what is chord? Chord is a line segment formed by joining two distinct point on a circle. Distinct का मतलब अलग अलग, distinct means अलग अलग, same नहीं। Okay. Now the next point is diameter. The next point is what? Diameter. The next point we are going to study, that is diameter. So what is diameter? Diameter is nothing but it is a chord. It is a chord that sorry, chord that passes through the center of the circle. That passes through the center of the circle. Understood? The kind of a chord that passes through the center of a circle, that kind of chord is known as what? Diameter. That kind of chord is known as diameter. Let's say we are having a circle with center O। ठीक है, यहां से अगर हमारा एक chord पास होता है, अगर सर्कल के सेंटर से एक chord पास होता है, that chord is known as what? Diameter। AB, ये क्या, इसको बोलेंगे diameter। Understood what is diameter? This one is known as diameter। And there is also one point, that is diameter is the longest of all the chords in a circle। Understood? So which one is the longest chord? Diameter. Very good. So here we can write some point in note, that is number one, diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord. Among all the chord, which one will be the longest chord? Diameter. Very good. What is a chord? What is chord?
chord is a line segment
Hmm. Formed by joining two distinct points on a circle. Understood? What is chord? Chord is a
line segment which form
by joining
two distinct
two distinct point on a circle. Very good. That's correct. Very good. And what is diameter?
chord that passes through the center of the
Very good. Diameter is a chord that passes through the center of a circle. Diameter is a chord. Diameter is a chord that passes through the center of a circle. Is known as what? Diameter. Chord that passes through the center of a circle is called what? Diameter. Very good. Very good. It is called diameter. Very smart. You guys are very smart. Very good. Very intelligent. Okay. Now the next point we need to study is uh, here we can see that this OA is radius and OB is also radius. So the length of yes, the length of the diameter is equal to the twice of the radius. That means diameter, any diameter of a circle is equal to twice into radius, is equal to twice into radius. Any diameter will be equal to twice of the radius. Understood? So far we have studied some points related to this circle. That is the first term we have we have studied, that is radius. So what is radius?
Line segment drawn from center to any point on a circle is called radius.
Very good. So what is chord?
Chord is the line segment from by joining two distinct points on a circle.
That is not distinct. That is distinct. Say, what is that? What is that word? What is that word? Distinct. Very good. The word is called distinct. You have to pronounce it very carefully, right? You have to pronounce it very carefully. This is a very important word. This is known as distinct. Distinct means different, not the same. Understood? Okay. Again, what is diameter? What is diameter? Center of the circle. That what are the two properties of a diameter?
Diameter is longest or
And the next one,
diameter equal to
diameter is equal to twice of the radius. That means if we add 2 of the radius, then we'll get the length of the diameter. Understood?
yes.
Okay, okay. Then we will study some more points related to the circle. We have studied some basic points that are related to the circle. Okay. The next point we are going to study, that is an important result related to circle. Okay, an important result related to circle. It is an important result related to circle. So what is that important result? The important result is the ratio of the circumference, the ratio of the circumference of a circle, the ratio of the circumference of a circle and its diameter, and its diameter. The ratio of the circumference of a circle and its diameter is always constant. Is always constant. What do you understand by constant? What do you understand by constant? What is constant? Same. Okay. We have got one answer, that is same. Anyone else? No, that is not lagatar. Lagatar is not constant. That is continuous. Lagatar is continuous, continuously. Okay. And there is a vast difference between constant and continuous. So what is constant? What do you understand by constant? Constant means that doesn't change. Constant means what? That doesn't change. Understood? What is constant? That doesn't change. जो बदलता नहीं है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? कांस्टेंट. और अगर मैं मैथमेटिक्स में ऐसा लिख दूं 3, क्या 3 बदल के 4 हो सकता है? So this one is constant. दिस वन इज कांस्टेंट, ये चेंज नहीं हो सकता, इसको अगर हमने 3 लिख दिया तो ये 3 ही रहेगा, दिस इज कांस्टेंट, इट विल नॉट चेंज. The thing or the value that doesn't change is known as what? Constant. Understood?
Yes, sir.
तो आप लोगों को मैं इंग्लिश भी सिखाते हुए चलूंगा बीच बीच में, पढ़ते हुए जाइएगा. ठीक है. So we have studied two important points, important word, that is the first one is known as distinct and the second one is constant, because these are very important words and we are going to use this word in our like upcoming classes. ठीक है. जो हमारा हम लोग 6 में पढ़ रहे हैं अभी, फिर हम लोग 7 में जाएंगे, 8 में जाएंगे, 9 में जाएंगे, 10th में जाएंगे. So in that classes, in our upcoming classes, we'll like frequently see these words, constant, distinct, this and that. We will frequently going to see this kind of words. So we have to know the meaning of these words. Understood? We have to know the meaning of these words very properly and very carefully. Okay. So what is that important result that we have written here? That is the ratio of the circumference of a circle and its diameter is always constant. What is circumference of a circle? What? I am asking what is circumference of a circle. I am not asking the formula of the circumference. Circumference is the perimeter of a circle, right?
The diameter of a circle is called circumference.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Okay, so it is given here that the ratio of the circumference of a circle and its diameter is always constant. That means uh, circumference and diameter. Circumference and diameter. Circumference and diameter is what? It is constant. Circumference and diameter, it will be some constant. Constant means what? Just right now I have showed you in mathematics, constant means it will be some number, right? Constant means what? It will be some number. So after so many experiment that had done by many of the great and greatest and mathematician, that they found that the ratio of circumference and diameter is about approximately 3.14, approximately. Okay, approx. What is approx? What is the meaning of approx?
लगभग.
Yeah, that is nearly. ठीक है, that means nearly. एग्जैक्टली इक्वल नहीं होगा बट लगभग इतना हमें मिल जाएगा. दैट मीन्स जो सरकमफरेंस होगा, बहुत सारे मैथमेटिशियन ने रिसर्च करके देख के ये निकाला कि सरकमफरेंस और डिवाइडेड बाय डायमीटर अगर हम लोग करें तो ये अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3.14 नियरली निकल के आ जाता है. ठीक है, नियरली मीन्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3.14 निकल के आ जाता है. तो सरकमफरेंस का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा? सरकमफरेंस, हाँ, और ये जो कांस्टेंट होता है दैट मींस दैट नियरली 3.14 कांस्टेंट इज नोन एज व्हाट? पाई. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? पाई. इसको किस नाम से जाना जाता है? पाई. और इसको लिखने का सिंबल कैसा है? इसको ऐसे लिखा जाता है, दिस वन इज द सिंबल ऑफ पाई. अंडरस्टूड? दैट मींस वी कैन राइट इट एज, दैट मींस we can write it as circumference by diameter is equal to pi. Circumference by diameter is equal to what? Pi. And what is pi? Pi is a value that is approximately 3.14. That is approx value, not exact value. The value of pi is approximately 3.14. That means what will be the value of circumference? The value of circumference will be pi into diameter. So what is diameter in terms of radius? What will the value of diameter in terms of radius? Anyone? What will be the value of diameter in terms of radius? Nobody. What is the value of diameter in terms of radius?
Sir,
Yes. Diameter is equal to twice of radius, right? Diameter is equal to twice of radius. That means we can write circumference. That means we can write circumference as equal to 2 pi r. Okay. So what is the circumference of a circle? That is become equal to 2 pi r. What is pi? This one is known as pi, and this is approximately 3.14. This is not exact value. This is approx value. Approximately how much? 3.14. What is r? That will become radius of a circle. That is radius of a circle. R is radius of a circle. So this one is the formula for circumference of a circle. What is circumference? What is circumference?
The perimeter of a circle is called circumference.
Very good. The perimeter of a circle is called circumference. Very good. Very smart. You peoples are very smart. So in this class we have studied, we have like heard some new words like that is distinct, and next one is constant and curiosity, right? So what is distinct exactly? What is the meaning of different? Distinct means two different things is known as two distinct. Okay. So what is curiosity? Curiosity means जानने की इच्छा करना. Okay, that is known as curiosity. And what is constant? Constant means the thing that never changes, the value that never changes. And in mathematics, in any numbers is called a constant. That means any number we cannot change the value of that number. So that number is known as what? Constant. So far in this class, we have studied circumference of a circle. Circle is simply a curve. There are interior of a circle and exterior of a circle. We have also seen some example of circle. We have also studied some terms that are related to the circle, that is radius, that is chord, that is diameter. Diameter is equal to twice of the radius. And we have also studied an important result, that is circumference divided by diameter is equal to constant, and it is approximately 3.14. Okay, then we have also finally we have studied that circumference of a circle is written as 2 pi r. So आज जो पढ़ाया गया वो आप लोगों को अच्छे से पढ़ना है, एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क बाय टुडे, बाय टुमारो, एंड यू हैव टू सबमिट इट. सबको समझ में आया? एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड? ओके, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस ऑफ यू. एंड आज के लिए हम लोग इतना ही. बाकी हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे ठीक से. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑल ऑफ यू.
Bye, sir.
बाय बाय, थैंक यू.